Every morning, millions of people pour crispy, colorful cereal into their bowls. But have you ever wondered how these perfect little shapes are made on an industrial scale? Today, we're going behind the scenes of a breakfast cereal factory to reveal the high-tech, high-speed process that turns raw grains into your favorite morning crunch. A single one of these production lines can turn out over 10 tons of cereal every single hour. It all starts with the grains, usually corn, wheat, oats, or rice, delivered in absolutely massive silos. From there, the grains are milled down into a fine flour. This flour is then moved into a giant industrial mixer, about the size of a small room. Here, it's combined with water, sweeteners like sugar or malt syrup, various flavorings, and a precise blend of vitamins and minerals. This creates a thick, dough-like paste. For cereals like corn flakes, this mixture is then cooked under intense pressure and temperature. This process, called gelatinizing, transforms the starch, which is a crucial first step toward the classic crunch. Now for the part where the magic really happens, forming and shaping. The dough is forced through giant machines called extruders. The easiest way to picture this is to think of a massive, high-tech pasta maker. As the dough passes through specially designed plates called dies, it's instantly shaped into all the forms we know and love: O's, flakes, loops, or puffs. The process is incredibly precise. For puffed cereals, like those famous crispy rice puffs, the dough is actually gun-puffed. It's heated and then subjected to a sudden drop in pressure, causing it to literally explode into its signature airy structure. You know that famous snap, crackle, and pop? It's caused by the collapse of that puffed, sugar-coated structure when it hits milk. After being shaped, the dough is cut at incredible speeds by tiny blades or wires. The wet cereal pieces aren't crunchy yet. To get there, they enter a massive, multi-stage dryer. This is essentially a long, hot tunnel oven on an industrial scale. Inside, the moisture content, heat, reduced from about 30% all the way down to just 3%, creating that perfect, crisp texture. For flakes, the dough pellets are first flattened between giant, heavy rollers before they get toasted. Next up is the coating stage. The now crispy cereal pieces tumble around in huge rotating drums, while they're evenly sprayed with sweeteners, oils, and other flavorings to create all the frosted or flavored varieties. This is also when vitamins that are sensitive to heat are often added, since applying them after the toasting process prevents any nutrient loss. Before any of it gets packaged, every single batch goes through some seriously high-tech quality control. Optical scanners and lasers scan the cereal, instantly detecting and rejecting any pieces that are misshapen or have the wrong color. The color, by the way, is carefully calibrated and tested to make sure it perfectly matches what we expect to see in the box. Metal detectors and X-ray machines are also used to ensure there are no foreign objects and that every box is perfectly safe. The approved cereal is then funneled at incredible speeds into filling machines. These machines measure out the exact weight for each bag, which are then sealed, placed in boxes, stacked on pallets by robots, and shipped out all over the world with almost no human touch. So the next time you hear that satisfying crunch as you pour milk into your bowl, you'll remember the incredible journey it took from massive grain silos, through high-pressure extruders and gigantic ovens, past laser scanners, and into your bowl. It's a true marvel of modern food engineering, all happening before you've even had your first cup of coffee. Which part of the cereal making process surprised you the most? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this factory deep dive, make sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite everyday products are made. Thanks for watching.